Hello guys, this is Boy Bink back for another video from How to PC channel. Today I walk through how to get Internet Explorer in your Chrome browser. This is step very easy. You type IE tab and click enter. Go to any Google and click here in the first and click on it. And you need to edit that to Chrome and edit the extension and wait for a second. You see we have automatically add that EE tab or Google Chrome extension. You see, let's run in that. And wait for a second. You see we have successfully add the Internet Explorer in our Chrome browser, and you need to pin that and look for that extension and click the pin icon. You see we have successfully add that. When you click here in the icon, you will see the Chrome extension. Let's test it. That go google.com. You see we have successfully. I like that Google. Oh, what's going on? This video for today hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.